This is a demonstration of experiment 8F, and it also represents a demonstration of experiment 9F since the outcome is going to be the same. So what you see here is I've already programmed it, and it's the 7-segment display shows a count, and the LEDs are associated, LED anyway, is associated with one switch, which is the rightmost switch. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press a button, and all the switches are currently down. You probably can't see that in the video, but it's going to count all the number of switches that are up, and there's none up, but I'm going to move across the LEDs from right to left as I count those things. And so I'm going to connect it here. Here we go. You can see as I press each button press, it's moving across, and all the switches are down, so it's not going to count anything. And it gets to the right edge. Oop, there's a bounce there. It gets to the right edge, and it gets to the left edge, and it goes back to the right edge and repeats it. Okay, so now I'm going to put up one switch here. I put up the rightmost switch, so it's gonna go move over to the left, and it gets all the way to the left, and it arrives at that switch. That switch is on, so once I press this button again, it's going to evaluate that switch, see it's on, and increment the count. Okay, and then I can put up some more switches here. Okay, I put up 4 switches, so that by the time I get through this, adjust the camera here, should have a 5 on there. Okay, so let's look at this. Button press. 2, 3. Okay, there's the 5, there's the 6, etc., etc. Okay, so I'm going to turn them all on, just to show you that. But first of all, first thing you notice is it is lead 0 blanking. That's part of the project here. Okay, and then they get this and press it a bunch of times. This is going through each time, and nothing fancy about this. When it gets to 99, it's only a 2-digit display. When it gets to 99, it's going to go back to 0. Anyway, that was too fast, but anyway, that's the whole experiment. I don't know what else to say.